My hair is done. I put a little bit of extra pink. Oh my god. Happy birthday to new place. Feel weird wearing this dress. I've never worn it. I think it's a one of a kind. Let's see. Like, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's a one of a kind because it never made it to production when I worked at Marc Jacobs, or maybe it did and they just didn't tell me. Who knows? I was an intern. Actually, no, I wasn't an intern. I was working there at the time. So I'm going to my friend's birthday party / Galentine's party, and I've never worn it. I've had since 2017, and this is the first time I'm wearing it. My legs are really bruised from my workouts, and my arm has a little one, but it's hidden. So I'm wearing boots to kind of hide my legs being so beat up. My hair is done. I put a little bit of extra pink, like, blush everywhere. Actually, probably gonna go in comfortable clothes and change there because the way the sleeves are, I don't want to damage it. Again, I think it's a one of a kind, so it's extremely delicate. It has like a slip, but then this is just Swarovski crystals. So I think that's gonna be that. Okay, this is the most I can give today, but I'm wearing the Marc Jacobs Galaxy as well as this dress, which is kind of funny. Keep in mind, I've never paid full price for Marc Jacobs. I used to work there, so I almost also wear my Marc Jacobs coat that I got for $40, I think, which is crazy because I think it retailed for $600. And this one was gifted to me, so I'm going like this. I'm really hoping we don't have to go outside because it's a party at her house. So I have my boots and let's go. Thing is, I'm probably gonna get lipstick all over it.
A mí, fina como en sushi, le encanta el Gucci, tal vez no es para mí, pero no me importa, ella a mí me aporta, la mujer que quiero yo me la quedo, la llevo a la costa, ando detrás tuyo, a ver si se me da, rezando a Diosito por una oportunidad, mami yo sé que lo tuyo tiene curiosidad, de probar algo conmigo, vamos dime.
Xoxo's gonna be a girl dad. A what? A girl dad.
Two of my coworkers are taking salsa lessons this summer in
una noche en la playita de Rincón, no habrá sol, pero se arena, mucho amor y licor, su piel morena y sus ojos cuando mira el sol, me tiene loco, me tiene loco. ¿Cómo comenzó la nena? ¿Qué hago pa' que ella me entienda y sepa que yo siempre voy a estar aquí, my girl, yeah? Ando de
difficult.
algo conmigo, vamos, dime la verdad. Ah.
Yeah, we should. Nikki, can you start a group?
Can someone make a little clip?
Yeah, Jean said.
That's so cute. We already did the flowers.
The hand gestures, yeah, it's actually pretty funny. I told the girls I might host an F1 watch party. So, the complete opposite of what we just did. This is very girly.
Those girls?
Yeah, we're doing that. Yeah, they were really nice. It's also Nikki's friend, so it's like kind of vetted already.
You do F1 in the morning on a Sunday, make waffles. Some people can drink if they want, if they like to drink.
So you want to come to that, you're saying,
No, I'm
basically?
just saying that would be what would be great for people.
Yeah, that's true.
You do like
A waffle.
vodka, orange juice, or whatever they
A
like.
waffle F1, like mimosa morning? That's a good idea, actually. I might do that. New place. Oh, the light I get in here is crazy. I'm working from home today, which is nice. Also, I lost my part-time job because they closed. So I raided the website and just bought a lot of stuff with my discount. So one of this is I got one of which I got a backpack, a new backpack. So